Hi, I'm Eloise Williams and I write for middle grade readers. Yes, so my first novel is for 7 to 9s, that's Ellen's Island, which is set on an island just off Tenby, reimagined island. And it's a magical tale for quite young readers. And my second book, Gaslight, is quite a dark Dickensian, nasty tale for 9 years up, set in Victorian Cardiff, about a young girl who wakes up on the banks of the river with a head injury and can't find her mum. This is about her search for her mum. Well, getting the Literature Wales Bursary meant that I really started to believe that I could have a career as an author. It meant that I had quite a lot of time to spend on writing my book. I got to hone my craft, work on my skills, but really I think the major thing that it did for me was give me confidence in my work, and I don't know that I would have become a children's author had I not got it. It really helped me to focus on what I wanted to do with my life.
Oh, that's lovely.
It's very important to me that my books are set in Wales if that's where the story wants to be told. Because I am Welsh, a lot of my stories are set in Wales. My next book is set in Pembrokeshire. It's a seaside salty ghost story, and that couldn't have been set anywhere else either. But I have just started work on a book that's set in London, although the main character is Welsh. So no matter where I set it, I think it's going to have a heavy Welsh influence. The advice I would give to an emerging writer is do it, go for it, believe in yourself, believe in your story, advocate your story, believe in your words, and what have you got to lose? Just go for it, that's what I did.